Evening, kids. I'm in the kitchen again, and tonight we're going to be making some pepper chicken. Let me show what I got out for the cook already. Okay, so I got out my large, this is a stainless steel skillet. It's pretty big. It's like a, I don't know, 18-inch or something like 16-inch. I've got some cloves of garlic here that I just coarsely chopped up. We're talking coarsely. There'll be about 6 or 8 of them or so. About a good large onion and a half or so, just halved and then sliced again, half and thin. A whole bunch of different kinds of green peppers. This is about 1 jalapeno pepper. I have some zucchini and some celery, and back here is about 20 grams or so of garlic, fresh garlic. I have some grapeseed oil, some arrowroot, and some salt and pepper. And over here in a bag is my chicken thighs, which I've cut up into like bite-sized pieces or so, and I have them marinating in about a tablespoon of the arrowroot starch. So I'm going to fire up the griddle here, get it started and get it nice and hot, and start off with cooking the chicken. This is nice and hot. I have it on about a 7 or 8 on the electric stove, and I think it's plenty warm enough. I'm going to put some grapeseed oil in there and start cooking chicken. I've got the chicken in the griddle, or in the skillet now, and what I'm doing is just making a nice little thin layer so that all the pieces of meat have contact with the skillet. And once they've had a moment or two to start doing that wonderful thing that meat does when it gets caramelized from the heat, and we'll give it a swizzle or so and make sure everything gets done real good. And when I get finished with it, I'm going to stick it in a bowl over here. That way I can cook the vegetables. So we're still cooking and stirring. Let it set for a little bit and give it a stir. Oh, it's cooking really quick too, which is what we want. What we're doing is letting it cook, pulling the cooked pieces that need cooked into the center, getting a nice flat layer, and letting it sear. We'll keep doing this for a while. Okay, so like the chicken is done. What you can see is some deglaze off the skillet. My husband is helping so I can film, which is wonderful. And we're going to take that off and then start with our veggies. So we can use the chicken fat that came off of the thighs as they were cooking for the vegetables. Okay, so far we have in the garlic and the onion. We might need a little more oil right there beside you. So that thing is off of the fire a little bit there. A little more oil in around the outside edge. Oh, that's plenty good. Okie doke. We lost an onion, babe. Thank you. Okie doke. So far, so good. I'm going to switch over here. You stir. Okay. Hey, we've added just a dash of water there for just a moment.
About 2 tablespoons.
So that we could sit and get this to steam a little bit. We went ahead and added all of our peppers, with the exception of the jalapeno. This is a large green pepper and some of the smaller multicolored peppers.
Green bell pepper.
It's a green bell pepper. That's a little bit of zucchini I had left over in the fridge. I'm going to use it too. Okay, take care of that for you, babe. That's the celery. About 2 cups of celery. I'll take that. Or not. Okay, it's been about a minute or so. He has been just basically moving the vegetables around in the pile there to the center.
Tossing them.
And tossing them. He's going to add just a little more water again, just a splash, again, just to get some steam going. So we can steam the vegetables a little bit without overcooking them.
You can hear that steam.
Yeah, well, You can see where too and hear from the temperature being decreased from the water putting in the skillet. So,
Over here.
yep.
Yeah, that's the steam being generated.
Yep, that's what we're looking for. Looking good so far. Looks really good. Okay, there goes a little bit of jalapeno. I'll take that from you. Ginger, there's our soy. We got a little bit of soy sauce out. And our pepper. There goes the ginger in. That was about 20 grams that I weighed out and then smashed it with my knife and then just pulverized it in a chop. Real coarse chop. I'll take that, babe. Thank you. Oh, now that made a difference. Can you smell it?
Oh, buddy.
Oh, Betty. Oh, man, has that changed it completely with that fresh garlic in there. That is smelling wonderful.
Ginger.
Excuse me. I did say garlic, didn't I?
Yes, you
Put the
did.
fresh ginger in there.
Keyword
There's-
is fresh.
Yes, and no garlic. Just ginger.
There was garlic at the very beginning.
No powdered garlic.
No, it was fresh garlic.
Yep. Fresh. Okay, here goes the chicken back in. I got that, babe. Oh boy, we're gonna eat good tonight. Look at that. Okay, I got the pepper open. You ready for me to start peppering them?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to start adding the pepper. You want to give that a swizzle before I put some more in?
Nope.
No? Okay. He's adding more. Hey, we need more pepper on there.
Had to get it turned.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Yep, go for it. And there goes a little bit of soy. We're going to put it in around the edge.
Yes. Try to turn it in.
Okay, here we go. Okay, so we've just put a little bit of salt on the top of it there. This is our last big flip before we take it out into a serving bowl so we can serve it for dinner. We'll let
You
know.
notice that the celery and the zucchini are just starting to turn translucent. They still have their cooked flavor, but the body, nearly all of the body is fresh. So that's the intent of this kind of a stir fry. We do not make it mushy. Everything in there still has body. You can pick out any one vegetable, still has body to it. Meat, all of it, even the onions still have body to them.
Okay. So we're going to scoop this out in a bowl and get it ready for dinner. There she is, all finished, all done, ready to eat. Doesn't it look pretty? Oh yeah, dinner time. That's where I'm going, dinner time. So it's done. I'm going to take a bite and see what it tastes like. Alrighty, let's see what I can get out of here on a fork. Oh, there we go. That looks good. There we go. A little bit of everything. Look pretty good. Peppers, the zucchini, the onions, the chicken. It still has crunch. Enough pepper, not too peppery. So you can still taste the chicken and all the veggies. So what's for dinner?